Hey everyone, this is Stephanie with RTP Spa. Join me as I put radio frequency to the test and see if it can really melt away fat cells. Radio frequency has been gaining popularity in the beauty and wellness industry as a fat reduction technique, and for good reason. It has been touted that a non-invasive, pain-free way to get rid of stubborn fat. Let's face it, we've all been there. We tried every diet under the sun. We've spent hours at the gym, but those last few pounds just won't budge. It's frustrating, it's demotivating, and it's a constant source of stress. Traditionally, weight loss methods just don't work for everyone. And that's why so many people are turning to alternative solutions. We tried, we're tired of feeling self conscious about our bodies, tired of feeling like we're not good enough. We want a solution that actually works. One of the biggest challenges with traditional weight loss methods is that they often focus on deprivation rather than empowerment. We're told to cut out entire food groups, to restrict our calorie intake to unrealistic levels, and then we push our bodies to the limit with hours of cardio each week. It's no wonder so many of us give up before we even start. And even when we do manage to lose weight, it's often difficult to keep it off in the long run. We need a solution that doesn't just focus on weight loss, but on overall wellness and body confidence. The truth is, traditional weight loss methods just don't tackle the root cause of stubborn fat. They don't address the fact that our metabolism slow down as we age, or that our hormones can affect the way that our bodies store fat. We need a solution that's going to target that stubborn fat specifically and help us achieve the body we want. So, what if I told you there's a way to melt away fat cells without surgery, without downtime, and without any of the negative side effects we often associate with traditional weight loss methods? Sounds too good to be true, right? But what if it's not? What if there's a way to actually target those stubborn fat cells and get rid of them for good? Radio frequency technology uses electrical energy to heat up the deeper layers of the skin, causing collagen to contract and stimulating the production of new collagen. But how does this work on fat cells specifically? Well, when the radio frequency energy is applied to the skin, it causes the fat cells to heat up, leading to a process called apoptosis or cell death. This means that the fat cells are literally melting away, leaving behind a smoother and more toned appearance. But here's the thing, radio frequency isn't just about melting away fat cells, it's also about stimulating the production of collagen, which can help to improve skin elasticity and firmness. This means that not only will your body look more toned and smooth, but your skin will also look healthier and more radiant. When it comes to the science behind radio frequency, the evidence is pretty compelling. Study after study has shown that radio frequency can be an effective way to reduce fat, improving skin elasticity, and even reduce the appearance of cellulite. And the best part, it's a completely non-invasive, pain-free treatment that can be done in just a few short sessions. So what about the results? What kind of transformations can we expect from radiofrequency treatments? The truth is, the results are nothing but short of amazing. I've seen people go from having saggy, wrinkled skin to having a smooth, toned body in just a few short weeks. I've seen people who were self conscious about their bodies to feel confident and empowered. I've seen people who had given up on traditional weight loss methods and finally starting to see the results. Radio frequency is a game changer, and I'm so excited to be sharing this information with you. It's a way to take control of our bodies, to feel confident and empowered, and to get the results we deserve. So, to sum it all up, radio frequency is a powerful tool in the fight against stubborn fat. It is a safe, effective, and non invasive way to melt away fat cells and get the body we want. And the best part, it's not just about weight loss, it's about overall wellness and body confidence. I want to thank you all for watching, and don't forget to share your thoughts and comments below. If you want to learn more about radio frequency and other fat reduction methods, please be sure to check out my other videos on this topic. And thank you again. This is Stephanie with R2B Spa. If you want to give this radio frequency a try, please reach out to me either by email or booking a session. Thank you. Bye.